Yeah. So I just wanted to go over this next area. I think I explained to you what's happening over here on this side of, on the west side of Avenue N, right here. So all the wells on the east side of Avenue M, right here. Also, we also have other wells in here. We'll talk about those in the future. But all the wells on the east side are not in our monitoring program. So you can see where we're monitoring, right? We're monitoring right in here. So all these wells are not required, and we plan to keep two wells actually, BB 38, that one right there, and BB TW 43. I think, like, right, we talked to the regulators, and we decided to keep those two wells with the direction of DTSC and the water board. So we have approval from the water board and DTSC to destroy the wells highlighted in yellow, all these wells. And we plan to search for 3 wells which are located right here at the end, which is BB 107, 110, and BB 111. And those 3, we hope to take a piece of equipment out there, expose the wells, and all those wells will be properly destroyed. So all these wells will be destroyed properly per the California well standards under the direction of a California licensed professional geologist. And we'll get a report when all those wells are properly destroyed. So this table presents the plan for performance monitoring over the next year at Site 24. Quarterly sampling events will be completed in March. The field team was out actually this month to collect samples. They'll go out again in June and September. And then the larger annual sampling event will be completed in December of this year. And then after the June 2018 sampling event, optimization of the performance monitoring network and schedule may be proposed.